So today we are going to discuss, oral or dental hygiene. What is, our approach about teeth problems and problems of gums, when you come to us at the Integrated Wellness Clinic. We work in collaboration with a dentist and your dental procedures, your, the treatment of your caries, anything that needs a procedure is taken care by the dentist. But any recurrent problems, or why your teeth are getting carious again and again, or why your gums are becoming spongy, or why do you have bad odor in the mouth, all those problems are medical problems, and we need an internal medicine specialist opinion. Dr. Ruby Bansal will try to understand the why of it, and Dr. Deepika Kohli, our clinical nutritionist, will guide you as to what foods promote oral or dental hygiene, and how you can prevent bacterial growth in the mouth through a proper diet, what things you should avoid, and what are the timings of eating your sweets and all those things. So, and then when I'm the homeopath, I would like to take a detailed history. For example, if you suffer from caries, I would like to understand whether your teeth start to decay at the crown. We have specific remedies for teeth which begin to decay at the top, that is the crown, and another set of remedies for teeth which decay at the root. And premature tooth decay in children, I remember we treated a small child, just 3 years old, or as soon as his teeth would erupt, they would become black and crumbling to the point that he would not be able to chew even, Parle glucose biscuits dipped in milk. He would not be able to chew even soft things. So then when we treated him, he turned around, and slowly now he's grown up, and he has, I'm sure he has beautiful teeth by now, though I saw him only 6 months ago, and his teeth had started erupting, the permanent teeth. So all these kinds of things. And then if you suffer from pain, we have very specific medicines for tooth pain. If your pain is burst before your menses, or if you suffer from toothache after having your warm coffee, or you suffer it after cold drinks, which is very common of course, but even after warm drinks, if you have tooth pain, we understand the why of the dental problems at the Integrated Wellness Clinic. If you want to understand the why of your tooth problems, please come to us. And tomorrow we have a session at 6 p.m. where we talk about teeth and gums, and you feel free to join that session tomorrow at 6 p.m. Thank you, and Jai Hind.